We'll explain everything step by step. A completely PC-free method so you can do it too and recover your phone. This phone was formatted and it has that little padlock in the upper left corner. In this video tutorial, we'll show you all the steps so you can recover it in the easiest and fastest way possible, which is without using a PC. We'll connect to a Wi-Fi network to fix it. Also, in the video description and the first pinned comment, we have other completely different PC-free methods and other methods that require a PC. So you can also use them. Tell us what model you use or what model your phone has so we can send you a video tutorial specific to your model. Click here to skip, click here to skip again. Let's connect to a Wi-Fi network. Now, what are we going to do? We're going to configure a series of settings, activating and deactivating some functions. You also need to pay close attention to this video tutorial, because as you advance through it, you're going to miss a lot of details. You're going to get lost and you won't be able to recover your cell phone. That's why it's always recommended to watch the step-by-step video tutorial so you don't miss any details. We're going to get to the point where that screen lock appears, which was the first thing we forgot. We forgot the screen lock, we formatted it. And it's left with that little padlock in the upper left corner, as we can see here. Sometimes people reset it to configure it again. If you're one of those people, then you know what the phone's lock is. If you know what that lock is, write it here, click Next, and it will give you access to recover it. This is an alternative for those people who don't all have the same problem. If you don't remember, then go here where it says, Use my Google account. Whenever we have a phone, we always have a Google account, we create it or add it. If you remember that Google account, write it here and click Next. You add the password you had for the account. And it also gives you the option to recover it. That would be another alternative. Another alternative would be to add the phone number you had registered with the email. You add the phone number, and next, a recovery code is sent to your phone. This also gives you the opportunity to recover it. But let's say you don't know the screen lock. You don't know or you forgot the password or the email, or you don't have the phone number. You're going to click here where it says, Forget, and you're going to write this here. You click Next. You're also going to write it again here. Now what we're going to do here is do this for 30 seconds. After those 30 seconds, what we're going to do is the following. Pay close attention to this video tutorial if you want to be able to recover your cell phone in the easiest and fastest way, which now requires using a PC. Now what we're going to do is go back. We'll go back and click here, Add New Network. Previously, what we did before it was clicking here. We clicked here on Deny. We clicked again, we clicked Deny here, it gave us this option. A permission option that also gave us access. We went here to the QR code. Something from a gallery appeared here, but that's not working anymore. Let's go back to the home screen. We click here, we click on Tabs, we're going to click here on Tabs. Okay, you're going to double click here, you're going to click, let's see, you're going to click here, you're going to double click here. You're going to double click here, here you're going to See this deny option, you're going to click it. Then you're going to double click here, you're going to double click. Now that we've done this, we're going to do the following, we're going to click here. We're going to wait a few seconds. Okay, now we're going to press the power button and the volume down button at the same time, and we're going to do a forced restart. We're going to do this forced restart. Now what we're going to do is wait for our phone to We're going to wait just a few seconds for our phone to restart and take us directly to the home screen. Then we'll be here, finishing this recovery process. Let's see, it seems to have turned off. Let's turn it on. Now, what we'll be doing is the following. We'll wait for it to start up, and then we'll perform some synchronizations that will give us the opportunity to link and recover our device. We'll wait for it to start up and take us here to the home screen. We're in the final steps. Okay. Now we'll click here on Skip. Now, we'll do the following. We'll click here on this option, and this QR code will appear. Now, what do we need? Well, we'll use another device, the brand doesn't matter. We'll have a screen lock, we have to be connected to a Wi-Fi network, and Google account. We need a Google account. To link our device, we're going to restore from a backup. We'll go here to Google, and we're going to select this camera option. It will ask for some permissions, and you're going to grant them all. Here it will ask you to sign in with Google. You're going to sign in with Google. That's it. Both devices will now sync. What are we going to sync? Both the Google account and the screen lock will be synced so we can recover our phone. We'll wait for them to sync. Once they're synced, we'll be adding all the information we have on this device, and it will be automatically synced to our device. Positive. Which is why it's always recommended to watch the step-by-step video tutorial, so you don't miss any details and can solve this recovery process. We'll be syncing it now. Okay, when this profile appears here, this little circle up here, wait for this little circle, we're going to press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. What we're going to do is a forced restart. We're going to force restart it. Now we press the power button because this device will turn off automatically. Now we're going to get to the home screen, and we're going to finish this recovery. We're in the final steps where we'll be finishing and recovering our device in the easiest way and faster, without needing a PC. A completely PC-free method. Let's wait, let's keep waiting. Let's keep waiting here. We're in the final steps. We're going to click here on Skip. Now it will take us directly to this section. Let's wait here. Here we'll click on More. We'll click Accept and Continue. Okay. Now it will show us here that the account we had on the other device has been completely added to this new phone. Our locked phone, with that screen lock and that Google account, has been completely replaced with this. With what we've done. Up here. Google Services. You can add it. I'm going to click here on Skip. I'll click Skip again. I'll click here where it says Don't copy. I'll click More, Accept. These are the services. I'll click back here. I'll click here. Wheel. Wait a few seconds here. Now we'll click here on Skip. We click here on Next, we click here on Next, we click here on Next, and here. We are finishing the recovery of our phone. We click on Finish. Once we're here on Finish, we wait another second, we click here. We click here, we wait, we click here on Skip. We click here, or we uncheck all these options, so that all these applications are not installed. We click here on Skip. Done. Now what will you see? You'll see that the account we had will be completely synchronized here on this device. Here you can see that it's completely synchronized and recovered. Our cell phone in one of the easiest ways without needing to use a PC.